So here I have the grab handle from Northside. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and also detach it from your shower wall. So to install it, all you need is a flat surface. It can be your standard shower wall, glass, or tile works as well. Just make sure the tile is smooth and also at least 4 inches so it can lay flat on there. This is 4 inches across. So if your tile is going to put gaps in the suction cup, it's going to have a hard time sticking. So make sure it at least can be flat all the way across the suction cup handle. But now to install it, what you want to do is make sure that area of the wall you want it on is completely dry. Just stick the handle on there, and there's going to be 2 levers here, and you're just going to push these down. And once you've done that, it's now stuck onto your wall. It's not going anywhere. I'm about 200 pounds, and I'm putting all my weight on there. You know, it's stuck, it's good to go. So now to remove it, how you would do that is you're just going to take these 2 levers right here. You're going to pull them off. That's going to detach a lot of the suction, and they actually give you a little device that you can slide underneath. Otherwise, if you do lose this, any credit card or just anything you can stick under here is going to easily get this removed off your wall. They make it really simple, so you can bring it with you traveling or just bring it from shower to shower. But overall, this is a great tool if you want to make sure you're standing up in the shower and not slipping around. This is a great way to do it. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me.